Hello, this is Dr. Chang in Kansas City, Kansas, practicing about 20 years, and then I've been placing fast braces about a few years. I really like this fast braces because this is the best revolutionary technology with proven science, and then because it's safe and gentle and speedy and cost effective, and we don't need to have a tooth extracted or less pain, and then best treatment for my patient, and I try to do even for my kids when they grow, and then affordable treatment because of time wise and then financial wise. Anybody who are interested in fast braces, please contact us kcfastbraces.com or fastbraceskansascity.com. Thank you. We'll see you soon.